So I remember when I was like 8 or 9, my parents worked in the afternoons at a plant that's like meat and like, packing the meat and cutting it and stuff. Well, they'd come home like really late. It'd be like midnight or 1 in the morning, and they'd hang out in the kitchen for a little bit, like snack on something or just talk about work. And then sometimes we'd stay awake and just hang out with them in the kitchen. Well, one time we were hanging out and I was just sitting there and I heard like the doorbell, well, not the doorbell, the doorknob wiggling, and I looked over and it was moving, and I told them, look, the doorknob's moving. I think someone's trying to get in. And they looked at me like I was crazy, and they looked over at the door. And they saw it moving too. So it was my uncle, my dad, and my mom. They went to go open the door, and when they did, it was just dark. There was nothing there. There was nobody. So they just brushed it off like, oh, maybe it was the wind. But the wind would not have done that. There's been windier days and the doorknob wouldn't move like someone was trying to get in. I don't know. That night scared me. No one was there. It never happened again. But someone was trying to open the door. So, and thankfully the door was locked. Imagine if it wasn't. Remember to lock your doors, because sometimes people check to see if the doors are locked. And if they're not, then that's probably not going to be a great ending for you. Like I said, it only happened that one time, but that was freaky. Here's my door. My side door. It doesn't look like a door, but here's the door. So it's pretty much the kitchen. We had a trash can right here by the side door, ready for whenever it's full to be taken out. If you have a story like that, please let me know. I know I wasn't just seeing things, because we all saw it. Okay, well, thanks for listening to this short nothing. Okay, thank you, bye.